look what just arrived. Titan Motorsports has decided to roll with us to Adam LZ's open house. Oof, look at that thing. Woo. Of course, Supra. What's going on, guys? It's Black Widow Supra, and guess what? Today is an amazing day because today we are off to Adam LZ's open house. That's right, we got an invite with the Black Widow Supra. My buddy over here who drives an amazing M3, undisputed 83. I'll put a link down in the description. You guys go check out his stuff. Absolutely awesome. Or you can click it, bing, right here. That's what's up. Guys, today we are with the Titan Motorsports crew. We have the absolutely beautiful 100% bone stock twin turbo, perfect example of a twin turbo Supra, absolutely amazing. And then we've also got the brand new MK5, the Titan Motorsports MK5. So we're gonna be meeting up with a couple more guys. There should be another Supra and another Supra showing up, and then we're gonna roll out to Adam LZ's. Stay tuned. All right, so we have a Supra and a real Supra, but it's white on white, so I wanna see the comparison because dude over here seems to say that if you stand behind, you can see the resemblance. I just don't see, I see BMW. I see BMW, bro.
They're both white. Both white.
They're both, okay.
Wingless hard.
But that was not even white. That's like Lexus white. This is white. I don't know. It's a Supra.
Is that a Supra?
That's a
Supra?
No. That's a Supra.
That's a Supra.
Supra.
Is that a Supra?
That's a piece of shit.
Dang, it's still a Supra.
That's a turn. That is a rolling turn. All right, guys, so we're rolling with Titan Motorsports right now. We got 4 Supras in line. You got the Supra in the front leading the pack. You've got the Titan Motorsports 2-bar white Supra, 100% OPM. We're gonna fucking hit it. I'm gonna hand the camera to Christian here, and he's gonna film for us. So if it's a little shaky, just pay attention. Maybe they'll hit it a little bit. Motherfucker.
Yep.
Woo! We're fucking booking. I have no idea how fast we're going. I don't normally go this fast, but we are booking. Let's find out how fast we're going. Off the record, we're doing about 95 Officially just rolling up to the Adam LZ open house. Supra'S deep, skylines, all sorts of crazy shit here. Let's have some fun. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Supra on Supra Crime. That's right, we just did these ribbons. These guys are tight. Got some BMWs over here. All these guys over here. This is going to be an absolutely epic day. Super excited about today.
I'm super excited.
I'm super excited. Super excited. Super excited. Super excited. Super excited. We're super excited. Super excited. Super excited. All right, cool. So we're on our way to park here. Huge shout out to Adam LZ for giving us a VIP spot. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much, big guy. Yeah. So let's get today. Let's do today. Let's have a blast. Hopefully there's some two-step. My Supra is really angry with me right now because we just totally fried the clutch on our way here. So we're gonna have to drop the trans. MT, I love you. I'll see you in a little while. All right, or Titan, I don't know. We'll figure out what we work out, but we'll work something out. Guys, I'll catch you in a minute.
6.5 hours later.
All right, Otto, is this bringing you back a little bit?
It is. It is. It makes me want to just like puff like the Magic Dragon. Oh my gosh.
You gonna hit it for us?
I don't even know how
Hit
to
it. Hit it. You gotta press the button there.
Aw.
Gotta press the button, homie.
Oh.
Rookie move.
Cough-palooza. What do you have it set at?
Yeah, but
Oh, that's fine.
like the entrance. Yeah,
Hold on.
exit. Let cars
Hold on. All right, guys, just so you know we're not bullshitting, there's 100. All right, go for it. Hit it. Cough-palooza. What? You smoke weed, don't you? My man smokes weed. We got a cough. We got a cough.
I don't smoke weed. Weed is bad. It's illegal.
I see the bullshit on your face.
I'm just saying it's illegal. You shouldn't do it, you know?
It's not
Unless
illegal.
it's
Legal.
medicated.
It's legal
and
pretty
it's
much everywhere,
prescribed.
but certain places. Send it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Wait, why are you driving Frank's car?
It's right.
This is your car. Oh, this is your Tommy car edition, R34 GTR.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. I smell bullshit.
Can I take a shower this morning? I'm good.
Oh my God, he put the Volks on it finally. Oh, so sex with his high rev calipers. By the way, check it out. High Rev Motorsports. If you guys want their calipers, they make some badass calipers. You have anything to say about them?
Oh, they're dope.
They're beyond dope.
Yeah, man. 6-pot, 4-pot. You know, we put them in the car. We test them out. We beat the hell out the car.
They're super
No
sexy.
complaints.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Guys, High Rev Motorsports, if you guys want any awesome caliper, they make them all custom colors, everything. Oh, what's Envision Auto?
That's our shop. Envision Auto.
Okay.
But yeah.
Hell yeah.